friends, thank you for inviting me in your life and choosing this challenge. I am so grateful for you to have chosen me to be the host of this challenge for you. Before we dive in, I want to talk to you about why this challenge was named Fearless Flow Seascape Challenge, why I created this challenge. I have been hosting Paint Your Style Challenge for past 3 years, but 2 years ago there was one specific moment that changed things for me. I was participating in a collab with my friends where I was supposed to paint an animal. I wanted to paint the best animal, my daughter's favorite animal. It has to represent watercolor in a beautiful way. I picked panda. I had so many expectations out of myself because the artist I was collabing with were really talented group of artists, and I wanted myself and my painting to be worthy of that collection. So I went in with a lot of expectations. I went through a lot of tutorials. I wanted to follow the instructions. When I sat to paint, nothing would work. I was beating myself up as to why isn't my painting the way I am watching it on YouTube. I'm doing all the steps. Why isn't it turning out as good? I was very, very frustrated, and I kept pushing the deadline. Eventually, I said, okay, this is what I have. I cannot now do any more delays. I have to submit what I have to submit. When I submitted the painting with all the sadness in me that I wasn't good enough, all the expectations that I had weren't fulfilled, I submitted my painting. And can you guess what happened next? To my surprise, everybody loved it. They enjoyed my painting. They respected it for the effort that I had put in. They liked the colors in it. They loved the transparency in it. And I was amazed that I couldn't see any of it while I was painting. I wasn't even enjoying my painting process. So what shifted for me that day was the mindset. Art is not just about what you bring it on the paper. Art is also about enjoying it. And that's when I went across the line of fear, and what I achieved was the freedom and joy of art, joy of watercolors. When I pick up the brush next time, I am not weighing it down with expectations, but I am welcoming the world of possibilities and the joy that it brings. And that's why I created this Fearless Flow Challenge, because I want you to feel the same joy beyond the fear that you have, beyond the expectations that you have. Because the first thing that I did wrong was I was comparing myself with an artist who's been painting for past 10 years. And that's not a fair comparison. I am where I am in my journey, and I'm learning and I'm getting better each day, and I want to respect that and I want to embrace that. And that's exactly why this Fearless Flow Challenge is important, because that fear, when you take out of your art journey, is when you get growth and you get freedom to enjoy, when you get joy and you're free of all the anxieties and you're proud of your creation. I want you to all proudly sign your signature on your painting when you end this challenge, because that's what represents joy for you. And every artist has a unique way of painting something, and we must celebrate uniqueness. So let's dive into our Fearless Flow Challenge and get going.